Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is the third video for Form 1 Maths exam preparation questions. So please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. So let's go to the first question. So the first question, it says the ratio of A rate C is unknown. So, and you have given this A rate X is equals to 3 rate 1, X rate 2 equals to 4 rate 1, and 2 rate C is equals to 2 rate 1. So the question is to find this one, A rate C. So that means you need to find the value of A and C from the given one. So this question reminds you how to change a ratio into fraction form. So if you have given a ratio, this A ratio B, then the fraction form is given by, so taking the first part here, A, divided by, so this A plus B, the sum of the parts. So this is a way of changing a ratio into fraction form. But if you have something here like this equality here, you just take this A rate X as A over X. Similarly, 3 rate 1, which means 3 over 1. So, but this is if there is an inequality here. But the general formula to change a ratio into fraction form is this one, A over the first part in the numerator divided by the denominator here is the sum of the parts here. So using these things here, now let's solve for A and C. So for us, we have now this A. Now you have this A rate X, so which means A over X, and 3 rate 1, which is 3 over 1. Then recrossing this thing, that means A times 1 equals to 3 times X. You have these things here. And from the second condition here, the given condition here, X over 2 equals to 4 over 1. That means, again, you can recross, then X is equals to 4 times 2, which is 8. Now you know the value of X. Then resubstitute here, then you'll get A is equals to, so which is 24. Now from the third given thing, so which is 2 over 3 equals to 2 over 1. From this you get 2C equals to 2, that is C equals to 1. Now you get the value of 1. I mean the value of C. So, but the question here is to find the ratio of A to C, or the rate A rate C. That means just substitute A and C here. A, which is 24, and C is equals to 1. So that means the rate is, which is A rate C, which is 24 rate 1. So this is the solution. So the second one, it says a 2-digit number, it says that the sum of its digits is 12. So this is one condition here. If the digits are interchanged, I mean the position is interchanged, the value of the new number formed is 15 more than twice the value of a number. So let's rewrite this mathematically. So I always use variables, so to make things easy. So let's assume that this xy, which is a 2-digit number, this is a number. Then from the given condition here, the sum of these digits is 12. And if you interchange the position of x and y, which is the new number is yx, which is 15 more than twice of the first number. So using this one, I use inspection here. Now what are the digits? So the digits are from 0 to 9. So we have 10 digits. So that forms a 2-digit number, that can form a 2-digit number. So from the first condition here, So you need to find a pair of numbers which gives you, their sum gives you 12. So what are the numbers? So a number that their sum can give me 12 is, the first one is 3 and 9, second is 4, 8, 5, 7, 6, 6, 7, 5, 8, 4, and 9, 3. So these are numbers that gives the sum of the digits gives me 12. Now the second, it says 15 plus 2xy, which gives me the new number. So what is that number? Now let's see. So the first number is, we see it's 39, that means 39. 2 times 39 is, which is 78. Then adding 78, 15 to 78, you get 93. That means if you interchange 3 and 9 the position, you get 93. So 93, which is yx, our yx, which is 15 plus 2 times 39, which is 15, 15 plus 7, 8. So you can check for the second one to make sure that this is 39 is the number. So 48 times 2 is 96. 96 plus 15 is how much? So which is 106. So which is different from 84. So that means our solution is, or our number is 39. So you can check for the others also. You can't get the number. So the third one, it says a theater sells 319 tickets, 319 tickets, and collecting this much money for show. And so this is birr, is a currency, Ethiopian currency. Then there are two types of tickets on sale. One worth 1,000 and the other worth 1,600. So you are asked to determine the number of each type of ticket sold. Again, for word problem, I use variables and rewrite mathematically. So let's say that let x be a number of tickets that worth 1,000 and y be the number of tickets that worth 1,600 birr. So it says the total number of tickets that were sold was 319. So that means this x plus y is how much? So you have this 319. 319. So from this one you can rewrite x. So which is x equals to 319 minus y. And from the second, it says there were two types of ticket on sale, that is one worth 1,000 and the other worth 1,600. That means this 1,000 times number of tickets, 1,600 times number of tickets here. So which gives me this much money. So we know that from the first condition, we know x is equals to 319 minus y. So substituting this value here to here, then you will get this one. So which is 1,000 times 319 minus y plus this one equals to this much money here. So multiplying everything in bracket by 1,000 gives you 319,000 minus 1,000 y plus 1,600 y equals to 378,400. So now we have these are like terms. Then let's take this to this side because we are looking for like terms here. So 1,600 minus 1,000 is 600y, and if you subtract this one from this, you'll get 59,400. Now to find the value of y, just divide both sides by 600 and you'll get y equals to 99. Now let's resubstitute here to find the value of x. So 319 minus 99 is, this is 220. So that means the number of tickets that worth 1000 birr was 220 tickets worth 1000 and they were sold, and 99 tickets were sold and each worth 1600. So the first one is asked you to simplify the given thing by using common factor. So to solve this question, now let's see. So you see now we have b and x, b and y, and x and y. But in the denominator here we have a, so which is 4a and 3b. Now just think of something that helps you to cancel, if it's possible, to cancel these things, 4a plus 3b. Now let's rewrite this one. So here, this one can be rewritten as, now you see, we need to find a way that have similar structure like this, 4a plus 3b. So here you have 3b x. Now you see from this one we have 3b 4x. So 3bx plus 4ax, and from the rest of thing is minus 3by minus 4ay. So you can take a common factor here, which is our common factor here is x, that is x times 3b plus 4a, because you can multiply and you can get this one here. Similarly here you have this one, because we are looking something if it's possible to cancel this 4a plus 3b. So the common factor here is minus y. So if you take out minus y, then you'll get 3b plus 4a. So that's, you get this one. Now you can see here, you can divide this thing here. So x times 3b plus 4a over this one, you can partition this one, or the other way is you just take this one as a common factor and do this one, so which is 3b plus 4a times, you get x minus y if you take again the common factor here, or the other way is like I do here, so which is you can partition here, so which is x times this one over 4a plus 3b plus minus y 3b plus 4a, this one. So and you see that this number here is the same as this number here, and this is the same as this here, so you can cancel, here. So this would be cancelled by this because they're the same. So this would be cancelled by this. So the remaining one is x times 1, which is x, and minus y times 1 is equals to minus y. So the solution is x minus y. So the last one is you have 3 alarm clocks and they ring on the interval of 30 minutes, 35 minutes, and 45 minutes respectively. That means the first clock it rings at 30 minutes interval. That means if they run together if they start, this is the starting time, so which is 10 past 4, and the first clock rings, the second rung would be when, so which would be this one, so which is adding 30 minutes. That means 40. So the second clock, it will rank, second rank for the second clock would be 4:45. Similarly, for the third one, you'll get 4:55 because you are adding the minutes here. As you see, these 3 times are different. So the question says we need to find a time where they rank at the same time. So if there is something like togetherness, so we need to look at the LCM. So what's the LCM? So let's start by finding the LCM here. So I use a prime factorization method to find the LCM of these minutes here. So this is a prime factorization, a prime factor of 30. So 30 can be written as a prime factor. So we choose 2 times, 3 times 5, and 34. This is 34, sorry. So this is 34. 34 can be, 35. So 35 can be written as 5 times 7, and 40 can be, this is 8 times 5. So I add this 7 to the power of 0, to the power of 0, 3 to the power of 0, just to put a common thing here. So for LCM, we are looking primes with highest power. So what's the LCM of these 3? So the LCM would be, so for the first prime 2, we will choose this one, and for 3, so the highest power will be 3 to the power of 1 because everything here is 3, 0. And for 5, we have this one because everything is equal, so we take this one. And for 7, we have 0 here, we have 1, we have 0 here, so we need to take this one. So a multiple of this thing is LCM of these 3 things. So the LCM is this one, 840 minutes. So again, we have the time here is, they put it into hour, so we need to change this minute to hour, or this hour to minutes. So I changed it, this hour to minute form, this minute to hour form. So change a minute to hour, that means 1 hour is, this is 60 minutes, so this 840 minutes would be, so which is x hour. So that means you just divide this one by 60, so you'll get 14 hours. So the starting, remember that the starting hour is 10 past 4. So therefore the next rank for the 3 of them will be this 14 hour plus 10 past 4 a.m. so which is 10 past 18. So which is, you see now, this is after 12 hour. That means this was morning, so this is evening, so which is 10 past 6 evening. So this is the time. So at this time, the 3 of them will run at the same, at the same time. So this is all about today's video. Please do not hesitate to share, like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.